The Turtle and the Monkey. One day, a sad monkey was sitting near a tree, while a turtle walking by. The turtle noticed the sadness of the monkey.
Oh, hello, my friend. Why are you looking so sad today? Is there anything wrong?
I'm sad today because I have nothing to eat. Can you help me?
Yes, sure. Come, we will find food for us.
And the two animals started to walk. While they're walking, the turtle saw a banana tree.
Oh, my friend, banana tree, look!
My friend, I will eat it. We can have it.
And the monkey started to climb, leaving the poor turtle. He gets all the bananas, and the turtle said,
You may come down, my friend. The bananas you get is enough for us.
This is mine because I am the one. Forget it.
And the turtle said nothing more. But he came nearer and waited for his friend monkey. And the monkey eats and eats bananas. And the turtle gets angry and thinks of a plan.
Aha!
When the monkey falls asleep, the turtle gets sharp-pointed bamboos all around and puts it all around the banana tree. And the turtle called the monkey, and the monkey suddenly woke up and fell to the one of sharp-pointed bamboo. That's the end. Thank you for listening and watching.